Right, like last class we started doing this CET paper discussion. Still there are some problems, we will continue also. In the beginning, last we started doing these problems. There is one problem we kept pending is number 8. Okay, model is very good model. We will discuss 8 also now. Okay, what is this 8th problem? See here. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan square theta minus tan inverse of 1 by 3 tan theta. What is tan theta value he is asking. Problem model is very good. Okay. Here, assume that this is x and this is y. So this is in the form of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. What is result? Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Then tan inverse of, what is x value here? 2 tan square theta, 1/3 tan theta, 1 minus 1 plus multiply 2 by 3 tan cube theta, and inverse you shift here, therefore tan theta is equal to, now very simple expression here. If you cancel one tan theta, cancel does not imply that you can take common factor. What is here common factor? If you take tan theta common, actually this minus this equal to 0. Okay, that also write this step. Actually here 2 tan square minus 1/3 tan by minus tan theta, 0 tan theta common, 2 minus 1/3, 2 tan minus 1 by 3 by 1 plus 2 by 3 tan cube minus 1. Okay, minus 1, whole is 0. Either tan theta is 0 or this is 0. What is this is equal to 0 means? By 1 plus equal to 1. To understand, I am writing clearly all the steps like PUC method. Okay, but all these are all not useful. When you go for objective level, all the steps you need not write. You have to skip 1 or 2. Okay, you have to improve more. Tan theta is 0. Is there that option? Not given. Therefore, this is not there. Only from this. How you will simplify? Let it be as it is only. Because it is objective type question. Maximum you can simplify. 3 cancel. 6 tan theta minus 1 by 3 plus 2 tan cube. This must be 1. Verify 1 by 1 ABCD. What are the answers given? Minus 2 minus 1, 2 by 3, 2. Substitute here. First minus 2 write down. Minus 12 minus 1. Minus 8. So minus 16. Numerator minus 13. What you are getting? Our answer. Answer is minus 2. Not getting go to second option now. That is called cross checking. Depending on ABCD, sometimes decision will be easy. Instead of doing original method is long. What is original method? You have to cross multiply, cubic equation, factorization will take more time. Guaranteed that it is definitely will go for wrong answer. Therefore, suddenly when method is long, depend on options, sir. That is the reason. Sometimes we have to see options also. Based on the options, we have to start the direction. That is why last class this formula little bit bracket is missing, so I gave you. Now we will continue here. What is its next number we are doing is that 17. Cot inverse of root 1 minus sin x plus root 1 plus sin x by root 1 minus sin x minus root 1 plus sin x is actually a set-type question for POC. Okay? This is there in POC, a set-type question in the chapter. Inverse trigonometry, simplify. Simplification. Same problem objective. Okay? Here. What is outside inverse function? Cot. Hint. Inside also you have to get cot expression. Why we need cot expression? Because cot inverse of cot something cancelled. So in this chapter, hint is outside what is inverse function, inside same we have to try. If it is sin inverse means we need sin. Tan inverse means tan. That is the main idea. Okay. Here consider 1 minus sin x, half angle formula. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is 1 minus half angle result 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. A square b square 2ab. Hence I am writing cos minus sin whole square. Square root to square root cancel. So cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 plus cos plus sin, because plus is given here, it is plus by cos minus sin minus of cos plus sin. What do you understand here? Next time need not to tell you, it is over, step completed, solution. One step more powerful weight. What is here the weight here? Sin cancel, cos cancel, 2 cos x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2. What is implying? Cot inverse of minus cot x by 2. You cannot cancel function because there is a problem in between minus. If you remove this minus, we are happy. How to remove minus? Already we know cot inverse of minus. Okay, and hence minus cot theta is also same as ordinary trigonometry I am using instead of inverse. Cot of pi minus theta. Cot pi minus theta. We know cot 180 minus theta. Minus cot. Now they are eligible for their cancellation. Once they are cancelled, what is the answer remaining expression? Maximum I wrote 2 steps. Only you must be ready with compound angles. Half angle formula. Half angle formula. Okay. Multiple angles. I am writing cos plus sin, not sin plus cos. Because one can be written sin square plus cos square also. Here also possible. But if I change that, I will get outside reversal. Sin by cos, tan. But outside is cot. Based on that, we started writing. Okay? If they give tan inverse outside, you have to write sin first, cos next, sin minus cos. Whole square anyway it is same. Then you will get answer. These are all, you should get more ideas once you practice number of questions. So, got to practice very more number of questions. Now this is the time for you to prepare CET orientation. Don't expect somebody will help or discount or reduce the syllabus and then you have time for preparation, therefore not. By this time you must be ready for all the topics. Okay. Now 18th, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z. 3 times pi by 2, value of x power, y power, z power, hundreds are given. Many more numbers are higher powers are there. That shows we cannot do original or direct solution. Something is there. What is the something here? 3 times pi by 2, you will give like this. Each term is pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 only. When sin inverse x is pi by 2, what is x value? Sin pi by 2. Y also same, z also same. Then here what is the answer? 1, 1, 1. 9 by 1, 1, 1. 3 minus 9 by 3. Completed. We are nowhere concerned with actual solution, impossible. Because powers are very big number, higher number, 100, 101. Finding that is not easy. And hence we are rearranging, regrouping. 3 pi by 2 we are arranging in this form. Equally. That is the reason you will get answers very easy. How we approach the answer is important. Therefore, answer is finished. Now, see 19. Sin inverse of x by 5. Cosecant inverse 5 by 4. Pi by 2. Find x value. Okay, very easy. First, cosecant inverse is not important for us. In this chapter, 3 reciprocal functions we are not using. No such results also. Cot, cosecant, secant functions, their inverse, we will convert them into reciprocal functions. What is meaning of reciprocal function result here? Take the reciprocal of this. 5 by 2. Over. Problem is finished. One way I am doing 90 minus sin inverse. 90 minus sin inverse is called cos inverse. Because sin inverse plus cos inverse is pi by 2. Cos inverse in terms of sin, root 1 minus or x square. What is implied sin inverse? 25 minus 16. What is the answer? X value 3. X equal to 3. Now, same result, same idea is even for 20th problem. Sin inverse x minus cos inverse x is pi by 6. Find x value. Oh, very simple. Here I will write sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is how much? Pi by 2. Adding, cancel. 2 times sin inverse x is equal to 90, 30. 120. Sin inverse x is equal to 60. X is equal to sin 60 root 3 by 2. Completed. Second option. 21. A solution of the equation. Here, what are the values of solution? Means x value only. Answers given 1 minus 1 0 pi. Sometimes you can select, okay, if you put 1 by 1 here in LHS, we have to get RHS. That is also possible. Suppose x is 1, 2 and here 0. Anyway, tan inverse 2 is not pi by 2. Leave it. Minus 1 also not possible. Leave it. 0 write down. Tan inverse 1. Suppose if this is 0. This is also 0. Tan inverse 1 pi by 4 plus tan inverse 1 pi by 4. What is total value? Pi by 2. We are getting RHS and hence what is correct answer? 0. Completed. Pi impossible because it is inverse function. Pi will not give you any value for it. Answer is finished. One method it is. When you don't know original method, subject to or else long method to give correct answer immediately, better depending on options. Whenever there is a question related solution, find the value of x, anything in any chapter, not only here. See, ABCD will help you. Okay. Question is giving answer. Say. Okay. Now, what is exactly original method? Now I will give you. See. You know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula? What is that tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy is pi by 2. Then x cancel. Inverse you take here. Numerator is 2 only. 1 minus of 1 minus x square, tan 90, infinity, nothing but 1 by 0 or 2 by 0. Here only cancel. 2 by x square is equal to 0. What do you know? X must be 0. Answer is finished. So that is also another possibility. Okay. Now, same idea for 22. Tan inverse of x plus 1 by x minus 1. Tan inverse x minus 1 by x. Pi plus tan inverse minus 7. Actually, tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse theta. Let it be LHS, apply that result. Okay. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus is equal to, now LCM cancel. This inverse we will take that side. X into x plus 1, x minus 1 whole square by x into x minus 1 minus of x square minus 1 tan of 180 plus theta. What is tan 180 plus theta? Third quadrant, same function. Therefore, tan inverse of minus 7 cancel, minus 7 finish it. One side I am finishing. Only how to simplify LHS. Here you see x square plus x square minus 2x plus 1 by x square minus x square plus 1 must be minus 7. What is numerator? 2x square minus x plus 1 by minus x plus 1 must be minus 7. Okay. You need not to calculate everything. What are the answers they are giving? Problem number 22. 2 minus 2, 1. Substitute any number here. Suppose x equal to 2. 8 minus 2. 6 plus 1. 7. Very good. Minus 2 plus 1. Over. Answer is finished. How to escape? Immediately. Answer is finished. Suppose you continue cross multiply, quadratic equation, factorization, two answers, one answer they will give. Okay? In any way, this is better option to you. Very early you are finishing solution. We wrote only first one formula. Simplification. Inverse is shifted. Tan 180 plus theta. Leave it. Check with ABCD. Answer is finished. Suppose you get two answers, they will not give anyway because it is CET question paper. Waste exam. Only one answer they will give you. Hence finish it. If this is the quality for the mains level, two answers are there or three are not. This is not the time for that discussion. Okay? Hence we got immediate answer only. Suppose you didn't get A, go to B. How you will finish the answer is important. Now, the same way 23 also you can finish here. Sin inverse of 3 by 3, not also. It is not 3 by 3. It is 3 by 5 I will write. They gave you 3 by 3. It is wrong number. Should be 3 by 5. We will see that. Okay? Must be 3 by 5. Question is wrong. Don't expect wrong print. I want marks, attempt bonus mark plus 1, 4. That discussion is not important. You take this problem and then solve it. He is asking x value. What is the RHS result? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Sin inverse of x root 1 minus y square. Y root 1 minus x square. LHS inverse, RHS inverse eliminated, don't consider. I will write only bracket. What is the bracket here? 3 by 5. What is the triangular number? For 5 by 13. 12 by 13. 5 by 13 into 4 by 5 is x. Inverse is cancelled. All the steps not important. Okay? Finish it. LCM is the same. 36, 20. Must be x. 56 by 65. Answer is correct. Third option. 3 by 5 is correct. Okay? It is given 3 by 3 something number mistake. Okay? So, x value 56 by 65. Very easy question. Right. Next one more easiest question I am doing is 24. Sin inverse 3 by x. Sin inverse 4 by x. Pi by 2. Very good. They want anyway x value. Now I am writing this pi by 2 as sin inverse 4 by x cos inverse 4 by x. Anything, even 3 by x also I can write. Big number 4 I want to cancel. Over sin inverse 3 by x is equal to cos inverse 4 by x. Change the cos in terms of sin inverse root 1 minus inverse functions cancel. 3 by x is equal to root. Root also cancel. Means squaring. 9 by x square equal to 1 minus. All I am writing plus 25 by x square. Cross multiply. X is equal to. So many steps I am reducing. Like that you have to improve. Don't expect every step like PUC exam. Okay? Therefore, answer one answer they gave 5. Minus 5 also correct, but 5 given. That is one. Next. See, 25th problem. Apply tan inverse formula. 25th, 26th. Okay. Tan inverse formula. Sin inverse. Hint I will give you here. 1 by 2 sin inverse of 3 sin 2 theta by 5 plus 4 cos 2 theta. is tan inverse x. Find x value in terms of tan. Multiple angles, sir. You know sin 2 theta in terms of tan. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square. 5 plus 4 times 1 minus 1 plus tan square is, this is as it is only. 1 plus tan square cancelled. 6t. 5 plus 5t square. 4 minus 4t square is tan inverse of. Here 6t by 9 plus t square, right, is tan inverse of x. If you select something here, so that you can easily simplify, should get tan inverse. Suppose if I take, this is actually tan theta, okay. What is x value he is asking. Now I am writing. Suppose according to ABCD, suppose if I take x is equal to, see, x is equal to actually 6 tan theta, na? 6 is extra, tan 3 theta. This is not tan 3 theta. This is it possible 3 tan theta, 2 times 3 tan theta by, I will take first or second option. If it is 3 tan theta, okay. Now, see here, 2 times 3 tan theta by, I assume that same theta I will not use, tan alpha I will write. Easy to understand. Tan alpha. 9 plus 9 tan square alpha. Okay. Now 9 common. 3 cancel. So overall it is giving you 1 by 3. See here, what I will do is, suppose in this 6 tan theta by 9 plus tan square theta is there. This I don't want to allow. So what I will reduce is, let tan theta is 1/3 tan alpha. 6 into 1/3 tan alpha. 9 plus 1 by 9 tan square. Then 2 cancel. 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square. So what you do is, consider as it is only. Next video I will finish these 4 problems, and then class complete exam question paper will be over. Up to here only write down. Okay, because video timing is auto off. Next class I will finish these 4 problems. Right?